Beauty is always designed. Don't overthink. What you need is just an apple.
Ah, I finally see it. That's true design.
Should I hold an apple?
An apple? I heard there was a long-haired man who got hit by one and became a scientist. Didn't know apples could do that. Oh, don't move. That's it.